Well, hey folks, Fgfrc out here at Avon Park Field. Going to take up the Durafly Excalibur. I just crashed my free wing Vulcan 6S. That sucked. But if you ain't crashing, you ain't flying. But so what you got to do, best therapy for it other than buying a new plane, is go ahead and put something else in the air. Get right back up on that horse. Well, here's Excalibur. Motor's off. She's a V-tail. She runs on 4-cell. And there you go. She's very, very powerful. But big power glider. Very much and very stiff. Very, very, very stiff plane. I'm trying to do this with my, all right, I keep forgetting, I'm right-handed. All right, I only have one kind of rate, and it's 125 over 30% expo. So, all right, wind is basically that way. So timer set for 5 minutes, and we got right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. All right. Okay, and let's see, we are filming, right? Sorry. Yes, we are filming. Okay. Sorry, I keep jerking the camera around. So. Right up into the stratosphere. Boy, them lights, them easy lights, sure make it nice. Gnats are getting bad. How far do you go? There, I cut the thing off. There. I'm just gliding now. Different kind of flying for sure. Oh boy, that's beautiful. There. Now landing this plane, you have to plan for it, because I'm not one for doing spoiler-ons and all that kind of stuff.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
So you have to plan for it. It's like flying, it's like landing the Optera, the E-flite Optera. You got to give it space. And this is not it. Gotta give it the room. But this right here is what this plane excels at. Just big, wide, fast, and elegant turns. Yeah, gotta get out of the power. Still too fast. Hardest part's going to be getting her out of the sky. I mean, she'll come out of the sky definitely. That's a given. Eventually you run out of fuel. But just so you know, I'm running a AR410 antenna-less receiver in her. There. Well, I think what I'm going to have to do, use the wind that's left as my friend. Of course, I know the only way y'all can see her right now are the lights. She makes such a all right. She covers a lot of ground quickly. Yeah, I remember now, I have to purposely put her down. So I gotta really bleed off that airspeed. I think we're in good shape now. There we go. That's how you want to land her. Boy, them lights are a huge help, aren't they? Note her off, because she's got one heck of a prop. But I tell you what, this is a great flying plane. Not a beginner plane. The speed and power in this plane will be very intimidating to a new pilot, but she is a simple plane. Four channel.
Motor on.
So, but she got a lot of power. You want to give her just kind of a nice upward chunk, about half throttle, and off she goes. I highly, unless it's a really sunny day and where you can really see her really well, with a lot of clouds, sunny with clouds, you know, I know that don't make sense, but all right. But what my point is, she's got such a small silhouette. That's how you want to land her. You want to let her come in, and right before the nose touches, and I mean right before it, just a slight bit of flare to let that tail grab.
Motor off.
And that way, when that tail grabs, then it'll dictate your flow on how you run on the ground.
Motor on.
So, of course, the drawback is you eat up a lot of grass into the... But she's not hard to fly. Definitely not hard to fly, but the speed that she can carry, the momentum that she can carry, the fact that you really have to plan your landings might be a little bit much for a beginner. See, watch what I'm going to do. Oh, shoot! And see what I'm going to do? Folks, not having a good day today, but plane's fine. It landed in this soft grass here that is full of snakes, I'm sure. Come on, snakes, move out of the way. Don't decide that I'm a snack. Yeah, see how this is? This just will cushion a plane. Grab a hold of it. Hope I didn't break a prop though. Motor off. Motor off. Okay. Did wrap up around. Okay. Well, that's okay. We'll be okay. Ugh. Thank you. No snakes. Motor back on. Let's make sure we're okay. Okay, we're good. I tried to power back out of that the last second and waited too long. So that was my fault. Just having a bad day today. I think I know I got a playlist called An Off Day. Well, these two flights are going to definitely be part of that off list. Yeah, see, I had enough altitude there. Oh man, that thing looks so good. All right, beauty. Perfect. Perfect.
Motor off.
Motor off. Well, folks, despite the near tragedy over there because of my own dumb buttness, she's down. I guess I've still got the jitters and the shakes from crashing that Vulcan. So anyways, something you might want to do whenever you, oh gosh, see all that stuff in there? Pick her up even though you're done. Blow that motor out. All right, folks, motor off. That is the Durafly Excalibur. I'm running a 2200 4S Spectrum Smart battery, and also the stickers on this come off real easy. Just get you some tape or glue them back down. I had to do this one, so guess I got to do this one over here. But this is an incredibly stiff. I want to say there's 3 carbon fiber rods that go the full length of the wing along with inside the control surface, and I think there's 2 that go down here. I mean, this thing, I mean, look at that. You're literally wielding Excalibur. So folks, there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. Bye-bye.